Yep. All right. I'm coming. Say hi, wifey. You're on camera now. What's up, y'all? I doubt that you're gonna hear me on that exterior microphone, but I'm gonna try anyway. And in case you could hear this, we're out in Ocotillo. This is my TW's first run with me out in the desert, following little man. We're just in a little track area here that's attached to the RV park. So right now I'm just tooling around, just cruising. Whee! Good job, dude. This is my son Braden on his quad. This is a new quad. It is a Can-Am Renegade 70. He sold his old quad. We're spending more time working on it. Oh, we want to go on the track. All right, little man's going on the track. He wants me to follow him. All right, let's do it. I got you, buddy. I'll cruise behind you. Get him on the outside. Anyway, it is a 2024 Can-Am Renegade 70 we got for him. I do need to take it to my local shop and have him do a bit of tuning on it, because there's a limiter in it that I haven't been able to find outside of the thumb screw that is holding it back. It definitely has more. You can tell that it's being held back, so I want to get that tuned out for him because he wants to go faster. But this is the legal age size for him, so we don't want to be breaking any rules. But it's a sweet little quad, and it's fuel injected. I love that part. No carbs to mess with. Oh, we're off the track now. Hey, buddy. What? Oh, we're gonna donut? Get it, buddy. My turn. See if I can do it. Oh, nope. My donut didn't work. I almost fell. Oh, no. These big tires on this TW are super bitey. And out here, it's hard to know if they're gonna grab rock or sand. So a little pitch around donut until I get used to it. It's a little bit weird. Got a tiny little flat spot in the throttle, not much, just a tiny bit. Hopefully get some exploring on video later. Where did he go? Where's the little guy? Where is he? He's doing donuts. Get it, buddy. All right. You did great. Mama's gonna get a picture of us. Say hi, you're on camera. I think. Is it recording? It's recording. Can you get right here? Get right here. Braden, stay there. Right there. Now get a picture with us like this. Hold it right there. Mama's gonna get a picture. Look at me. Get one more, Mama. All right. Oh, careful. All right, do we want to go back and see if they're ready to go? Do a few more donuts then, buddy. I better get out of the way. It's gonna run my ass over. Maybe. There's a little man. We're tooling around again. Buddy, that's what I'm talking about. Get it. Did you stall it? That's okay. Because you're throwing it around corners, it's all right. Daddy accidentally overfilled the gas tank too, sorry. I don't know if anybody can hear me talking into my camera. I really hope you can. If you ever thought about getting a TW200, don't think, just buy it. That thing is too much fun. I've ridden dirt bikes and stuff like that, but something about just having this thing that has a tire on the back of it makes it feel like a dang tank tread. You just feel nothing will hold you back. I know this bike is not known for crazy amounts of travel, but that feels very smooth. And I'm not light. TW goat. Go little guy, go! He's traversing the mountain range like I was. Atta boy. There's mama.
Debbie's done waiting. She's like, we're just gonna go. I said, perfect, I'll get Brandon.
I like it.
So we're ready.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go put eyes on him. I don't know if my audio is coming in or not, or if this thing's gonna actually hear me. My helmet's not wired in this dirt bike helmet. I'm following my little cousin. He's out riding on this big 250X, giving it a shot to see if it's something that he wants to pick up. It belongs to another cousin, and yeah. And if you can hear my audio, Wyatt, you're in front of me. This is for you. So you were the one that was trolling my last video, saying, "Oh, I'll smoke you on my TTR 125," and I responded back with, "Yeah, we'll see if I have to limp it back with a dead clutch." So you're on this big bike today. If you go down, you're going on YouTube, bud. It's okay. If I go down, I'm going on YouTube too. First person shot. That big dude on a little TTR. I love it. See, just run what you brung. You ride. Just butchered. Turning this on in case you fall. You're gonna tip over. You're gonna burn up that clutch, dude. Make sure it's in first. Woo! Anybody smell burning clutch? Keep learning. It's all good. T-dub-dub, T-dub-dub, T-dub-dub. There's actual grass out here right now. At least we're not totally whited out with dust like they are on the other side of the desert. You found it! Yay! In case anybody can hear me talking with no microphone in my helmet, there's a little track type thing out here. Oh, he's on it.
guys went that way, I went this way. I'm looking, I turned around. I said, you guys can see this coming.
Hi! I'll stay with you. Yeah, of course. Yeah, he stalled it again. I might have to start it for him. Oh, he's good. Burn the clutch. Ow, you ran over my foot, punk. The cruise behind little man here. Goggles are pushing right on my sinus. Good recovery, little man. I like it. Stay planted. Woo! So you don't do what Daddy did. The wind is here to play, baby. Woo!
The guy in the blue one was an idiot.
I know. Hey, Braden, can you bring it closer over here, bud? Can you park your quad closer over here? It's because you're really far away. What?
Keep your goggles on.
I know. Hey, babe, give me your gloves. Throw everything in there. Yeah, that's fine.